Right, what's up? And welcome back. It's my birthday today, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to put some content out there because I love you guys and I always want to put more content out. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always staying locked. Thank you for always watching. Keep sharing, and let's keep growing my channel. Remember, my vision board, I've got a target of 20,000 subscribers, and I'm far at the moment. So today I'm talking about what you can do to enhance your business, what you could do to make your business more profitable, especially whilst all this madness is going on. It's a scary time. Speaking to a lot of business owners, speaking to a lot of local businesses, they are terrified. They just don't know what's to come. Also, if you stay until the very end of this video, I am going to put some details of some new government policies that have just been released or that have just been enacted to support, local businesses and just to support business in general during this period of uncertainty. Without much further ado, let's get started. Number one, this is directed at creatives. If you are a creative, then if your upload schedule is once a week, take it up to 2 times a week. Upload. I can't stress it enough. You're in a period where, a lot of people are currently at home. A lot of people are on, holiday from work, unpaid leave, and so on and so forth. People are sitting on their sofa. Some people already watch the news countless times and they need some sort of entertainment. I mean, even things like EastEnders, apparently they're reducing, their screen time to like twice a week. Capitalize on this. You upload. Number 2, effective. This is directed at traditional businesses, by the way. Effective stock management, right? With everyone in a panic or going shopping, the last thing you want to do is be a business that is caught out in the middle of a supply, not having enough supply. Because that means, firstly, you can't capitalize on the rush. And secondly, if you then go into a lockdown, you haven't actually made any profits to offset a period of no business. So if you're a business, effective stock management is extremely important. It's crucial. Giving you an example, there's a local business here in the area where I live. He generally supplies kitchen items and bathroom materials and stuff. But he was able to capitalize on this whole rush. He made a huge order of freezers, bearing in mind that people are going out to Tesco's and so on and so forth, hoarding a lot of food. So he made a huge order for freezers and fridges, and believe it or not, they're all gone. That's what it takes to be successful during this uncertain periods. On to number 3. I've seen this so many times, and honestly, it annoys me. Do not be the business that charges extortionate prices. What you need to realize is, after the coronavirus is over, you still have a business to run, you still have a business to maintain. If you're out there charging £10, which I've seen quite a few videos on social media, £10 for a pack of toilet rolls, you're losing a customer for life. You don't want to win one customer during this whole coronavirus episode and then lose them for life. So do not charge extortionate prices. With that being said, great customer services and great interpersonal skills goes a long way. I was out this morning on my birthday trying to find a cafe to have a breakfast at, and I wasn't able to find anywhere. I went into a place, and although he wasn't serving food, he was only serving drinks. He was extremely apologetic, extremely understanding, and of course I was hungry, so I wasn't going to just have drinks. But I said to him, look, you're such a nice guy, such a beautiful establishment. I promise I will be back. Like, once all the dust settles, I'll be back to patronize and spend money in your business. So, don't underestimate the power of just genuinely being nice to people, and don't charge extortionate prices. I've heard stories of people going to shops where items are usually say £8 and now they're charging £12, and then they come back in 2 days and now it's £20. Don't do that. That would genuinely kill your business. Do not let greed get to you, and do not let panic and frustration make you lose your customers. Keep a level head and stay grounded. On to number 4. Leading on from what I've just said, get involved with the local community. Post on Facebook groups, be in touch with your local council, understand what support they have for you, and most importantly, just Immerse yourself into the local community, because I'm telling you, if you're able to do that, similar to what I said in the previous point, people will just embrace your business. People will genuinely just want to support you. You know, my local store here, my local corner shop, an amazing place. My local fish and chip shop, an amazing place. People want to support them during this time of uncertainty. So it's important that you create a community around your business and let the locals be involved in your business, and, you know, make them feel appreciated when they come into your establishment. Now, on to point number 5. This is directed at new businesses and small businesses alike. Of course, at the moment, people are probably financially restrained, and people are probably, you know, not sure what the future holds. Unfortunately, you know, some businesses are going to fail during this period. But most importantly, as a business owner, you need to stay relevant. Increase your marketing budget. You know, remember, sometimes it's about branding and not necessarily about the sales immediately. You know, increase your marketing budget. Stay online. Think about it, right? You've got however many thousands of people who are now working from home. You've got people who are on holiday, in terms of holiday away from work, still within the UK. You've got people who are on unpaid leave. What's the common thing that they're probably all going to be doing? They're probably all online. They're probably all on their phones. They're probably all on Facebook, Instagram, Google, you know, either searching answers or just looking for entertainment. That's where you as an intelligent business owner can capitalize. That's where you could come in. You could stay present. You could stay in their faces, you know, and, you know, it might not lead to a sale necessarily immediately, but it's about the brand building, and it's about being in a position to capitalize even after coronavirus is long and gone. So stay relevant. Do not be scared of increasing your marketing budget. Increase your marketing budget. Whilst other companies are holding back, you increase, ramp it all up, you know, because now you can capitalize on places where these other potential competitors are losing on. So that's number 5, I believe. On to number 6. Still with me? If you are, do us a favor. For those of you that haven't subscribed, pause this video, go down and subscribe. If you're finding real value in this video, then please subscribe. If you're watching this on any other platform, then ignore it. Thank you for watching, and let's keep going. Number 6. Why are some places closed? I mean, I understand there's certain government directives that have forced some businesses to shut, but I'm seeing restaurants closed. I'm seeing cafes closed. As a business owner, you need to keep going until you're unable to go any further. If there are no business directives, you know, advising you to close, then stay open. You know, capitalize on the business. There are still people like myself, and probably a lot of people watching this video, who are still going out, who still want to eat at somewhere nice, who still want to do certain things that are, you know, quote unquote normal. So don't be that business that closes. I think, forgive me if I'm wrong, but I think that's probably a sign of laziness. You need to firstly follow the guidelines, you know, so make sure your venue or your location is clean. Make sure you disinfect, make sure, you know, you follow all the appropriate guidelines, but most importantly, stay open. You know, if you don't stay open, you don't win. If you don't stay open, you're out of the race already. So stay open, right? So that, you know, if for whatever reason we actually do go into a lockdown, you're in a position where your P&L is well balanced. It's not all the way in the red, because, you know, you've made up for some of those downtime, or for some of those downturn that you're expecting in the future. You've made up for it already. So stay open. Don't close your business prematurely. Try and put measures in place, and, you know, keep going. Now on to number 7. There are some of you who would watch this video and still probably be in total loss. You have no idea what to do. You have no idea where to start. I will probably say, you know, be open-minded. If there are some great business people around you, then potentially seek advice from them. Obviously, take everything with a pinch of salt. Or alternatively, actually use the services of a business mentor. At times like this, a business mentor can actually help you with, you know, identifying the right trajectory and going forth with it. So I would definitely recommend it. Use the services of a business mentor. Stay open-minded and just connect with other local brands around you. connect with, you know, friends, connect with people that could actually spark a thought. Get creative, put yourself into a creative space and just think, you know, how can I overcome this objection? How can I go further? How can I, you know, take my business to the next level, especially with all these elements working against me at the moment. On to number 8. Hope you're still on the video. Remember, at the end, I'm going to put some things, which it's literally just some new news that I've filtered through, in which the government are supporting local businesses. So if you want to see that, keep watching and stay until the end. On to number 8, avoid maintenance task at the moment and literally go forth with performance enhancement task. What I mean by maintenance task, I talk about this a lot, is some of us get preoccupied. We actually get busy with maintenance task. Maintenance task is just a tick along task. It actually doesn't enhance your business. It doesn't grow your business. It doesn't put you in a better place than before. So you need to avoid those. Whether it's admin, whether it's, you know, the back of house sort of things, you need to avoid those. And what you focus on is performance enhancement task. It might be picking up the phone and making those phone calls, because guess what? Now people are susceptible to actually listen to you because they're away from work. It's a downtime. You know, there's not a lot going on at the moment, so they're more likely to listen to you. It might be putting, you know, more effort into building your strategies to move your business forward. Those are performance enhancement tasks. Those are things that would actually move your business forward. Forget checking your emails 10 times a day. That's not going to move your business forward. So that's number 8. And finally, number 9, put on a sale for your business, but be careful. Do not undervalue your business. Have a sale going, but be strategic with your, you know, the level, or be strategic with what kind of sale you're offering. And whilst you've got this sale going, be intelligent enough to capture data, capture emails, capture numbers, capture all of these things, because eventually when all of this disappears, you could use it and leverage your business to and literally scale it up to, you know, new levels. So put on a sale. If you're selling services, if you're selling items, put on a sale. This is it's a perfect time to put on a sale, because firstly, people are skeptical about spending money at the moment. You know, people are skeptical about spending money at the moment. In addition to that, you know, it's about volume. You know, you get to work on securing a bigger volume rather than a bigger profit margin per item. So cut some prices down and put on a sale, and you see that, you know, your business will probably survive this period of coronavirus. I think obviously it's such an unfortunate situation. In my lifetime, I've actually never seen anything like this. Countries being locked down, planes being cancelled, and so on and so forth. But I think as business owners, as leaders, it's important to be present. You know, it's important to be creative. It's important to keep seeking solution. Because sometimes I'm on some groups, and sometimes it's easy to get bombarded with panic. It's easy to get bombarded with all the negative stuff. But I think sometimes you just need to take a step back, breathe in, and figure out how to sort it all out. Oh, I held my breath then. But yeah, so that's it from me today. Happy birthday to me, and subscribe. What better birthday present than to actually get 100 subscribers today? You know, and for those of you who have watched this on other platforms, maybe LinkedIn, maybe Instagram, thank you for watching. Hope this added value to your life. Hope this added value to your business. And I'm out. See you on Sunday at 6 p.m. because that's my usual upload day. Today was just a gift from me to you, a birthday gift from me to you. Anyway, see you on Sunday at 6 p.m.